have discussed the standard forms of parabola in the Cartesian system, which was in the system of the coordinates x and y. Now we can represent these same standard parabolas in the form of a parameter also. So the simplest and the best form of representing the coordinates of a point on the parabola y square is equal to 4ax is 80 square comma 280, because these coordinates satisfy the equation of y square is equal to 4ax for all values of t. Why do we use these coordinates? In some questions we need to simplify our calculations. So for that we use these kinds of coordinate system or these kinds of parametric equations. What is the coordinate that we have taken? We have taken the parabola as y square is equal to 4x. Particularly for this parabola y square is equal to 4ax, if I substitute the value of x as 80 square, if I substitute x as 80 square in this parabola, what will you get? Y square is equal to 4a into 80 square. If I multiply these two terms, I will get 4a square t square, and this is equal to y square. If I take square root on both these sides, I will get y is equal to 280. Correct? So when the value of x is taken as 80 square, the value of y is coming out as 280. So in the case of y square is equal to 4ax, you can take the parametric coordinates as 80 square comma 280. Parametric coordinates are 80 square comma 280 means that any point on the parabola will be represented as 80 square comma 280. Like when we say in a question that a point x comma y lies on the parabola y square is equal to 4x, what do we imply? That the point x comma y will satisfy the equation of the parabola y square is equal to 4x. Similarly, in parametric forms also, we take the coordinates in form of a parameter, which in this case is t. So any point on the parabola y square is equal to 4ax in parametric form will be given by 80 square comma 280. Similarly, the other three parabolas that we can see over here is y square is equal to minus 4x, x square is equal to 4ay, and x square is equal to minus 4ay. Now for y square is equal to minus 4ax, what we can say is that if I take square root on both sides, I have a minus sign over here. So I will get an imaginary number. So to make it real, what do? We take the value of x as minus 80 square. When you take the value of x as minus 80 square and then substitute it over in this equation, you get y square is equal to minus 4a into minus 80 square. Now this minus sign and this minus sign will multiply and give you plus sign. So you will get 4a square t square. Now you can take under root on both the sides. When you take square root on both the sides, you get y is equal to 280. So for the parabola y square is equal to minus 4x, the only change that you have to do is take the value of x so that this minus sign gets decomposed. So you get x is you can take as x is equal to minus 80 square and y as 280. Similarly, for the parabola x square is equal to 4ay. Now the positions of x and y have changed. You have x square is equal to 4ay. If you take y as 80 square in this case, the same thing that we did for y square is equal to 4ax, we will be doing the same thing for x square is equal to 4ay also. If you take y as 80 square and substitute it in this equation, you will get 4a into 80 square. If you multiply these two terms, you will get 4a square t square. And this is what? X square. If you take square root on both the sides, what you will get? X is equal to 280. So in this case, the coordinates become 280 comma 80 square. Now similarly, as in y square is equal to minus 4ax, we had to remove that minus sign. The same thing we will have to do in x square is equal to minus 4ay also. Over here also you have a minus sign over here. So to remove this minus sign, you will have to take the coordinates of y as minus 80 square. So that this minus and the minus in the standard equation multiply to give you the plus sign. So in this case, what are the parametric coordinates that you have to take? X is equal to 280 and y is equal to minus 80 square. So depending upon the standard parabola that we are discussing, the parametric coordinates of any point on the parabola also keeps changing. So these are the parametric equations. Parametric equations means some expression is equal to the other expression. So in this case, x is equal to 80 square and y is equal to 280 will be the parametric equations. For y square is equal to minus 4ax, you will have x is equal to minus 80 square and y is equal to 280. And the same thing for x square is equal to 4ay and x square is equal to minus 4ay. So this is the concept of parametric coordinates and parametric equations.